Here's the recipe for the famous Magnolia Bakery banana pudding with layers of a light and airy custard cream, slices of fresh banana and biscuit wafers, and there's no baking involved. We'll start off by combining condensed milk and ice water, and you'll whisk until the mixture is well combined. Next, you'll add in the vanilla jello, or if you are using the South African substitute, it'll be the most instant pudding. You'll whisk this until the powder is fully dissolved. And then you'll cover the custard with cling wrap and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. For this pudding, we are using 4 bananas. You'll slice the bananas nice and thin. Next up, you're going to whip 3 cups of chilled heavy cream until it's thick in consistency. And you'll gently fold in half the said custard mixture into the whipped cream, followed by the remaining custard mixture until it's light and airy in texture. For the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding, I'm using the vanilla wafers. For the South African substitute, you're going to use some Eat Some More mini shortbread biscuits. Now, in a pretty glass dish, start by adding a generous amount of the custard cream, followed by a layer of the vanilla wafers or the Eat Some More mini shortbread biscuits and sliced bananas. And now you're going to repeat this process 3 to 4 times. For the final layer of the pudding, you'll top it with a generous amount of the custard cream and garnish with a few vanilla wafers and some crushed wafers as well. And then for best results, you're going to want to refrigerate this pudding overnight, ideally for about 16 hours before serving. And that's it. Your homemade Magnolia Bakery inspired banana pudding is sure to be such a hit. Prepare for lots of compliments, and this recipe is undoubtedly a gem. Enjoy.